Yo, we just saw a Bugatti. Oh, holy shit.
Yes guys, so I just received this package from my friend at Sneaker Finds 12. It was kind of like a swap deal. Gave him Vapor 12s and he gave me this Phantom Vision. First of all, I just want to say thank you, bro. I appreciate what you've done for me. I've always wanted to try on the Phantom Visions, and now I have them right here. Alright, let's go on and open this up. 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna be open. Yes guys, so I just opened the box. Burlington Robbers. Yo, let's go, Phantom Vision. Let's go, Phantom Vision. Let's go. Yes sir, bro. I'll take the second one now. Ooh, he has the bag. Comes with the bag too. The Phantom Vision bag. Let's go. Yo. Low-key though, this is fire, bro. It's fire. This is gonna be good for unfit videos and content. As you can see, it's kind of like a little dirty, but I'll clean them up and they're gonna be fresh. These are fire. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. These are fire. Whoa. So both sleek. And just so you know, this swap deal, it was like a win-win for everybody. My guy Sneaker Finds, bro. Bro, I appreciate you for this, bro. And it's like the same colorway too, because these ones are the Rising Fire Pack colorway, Phantom Visions, and his are the Rising Thug Vapor 12s. Kylian Mbappe wore the Superflies. Decent value. Let's go. So I'll do a little montage. Catch you next time on the field. Let's go.
Yo, we just saw a Bugatti Veyron, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro. That's a Veyron. Yo. Bro, this shit unreal, bro. Holy shit.
it's us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see.
Yes guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I haven't posted in like 3 weeks and it's kind of long, but that was the little thing I did, you know. Once again, I just want to say thank you at SneakerFans12. My god, you hooked me up with the pair of Phantom Visions and I don't know what to say right now. I'm really grateful. I'm humbled and I say thank you, bro. If you made it this far, I just want you to hit the like button right now. We are close to 500 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and you know, we're getting late. See you in the next one. Peace.